The function f is defined by f of x equals x plus 3 and x plus 1 multiplied together. The graph of f in the xy plane is a parabola. That's because if you were to FOIL these out, you would get x squared plus 1x plus 3x, which is 4x, plus 3. Which of the following intervals contains the x-coordinate of the vertex of the graph of f? All right, so let's make this as simple as we can. Okay, when you graph a parabola and it gives it to you in factored form, I know what my zeros are. So let me see if I can scooch this over. My zeros are going to be -1 and -3. Now, if you're wondering, wait, why negatives? That's +1 and +3. Because the zero product property says that if I have 0 equals that, then my roots, which is where my parabola crosses the x-axis, are going to be when x plus 3 is equal to 0 and when x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you subtract 3 and subtract 1, you'll get -3 and -1. This is a parabola. Okay, parabolas take a U shape, and I know I'm going to botch the way this looks, so you know what? I will give myself plenty of credit. There's my vertex. Since this is all symmetric and stuff, my vertex has to live in between -3 and -1 no matter what, no matter what, no matter what. So here the options that it's giving me are -3 and +1 for the x-coordinate, which is true. I don't know why it just didn't give it to me as -3 and -1, but it can't be in between -4 and -3, which is here. It can't be between 1 and 3, which is here, and it can't be between 3 and 4, which is here. So I'm not sure why that they gave me this as an option, maybe to confuse me, but I don't know, I wasn't confused at all. Look at this cute little picture that I drew. I love it. Love it so much. The answer is B.